Good morning, guys. It is 10:28 and it is Monday. And what's up? Oh, today I'm wearing the shirt. Oh, I almost ran into the wall and you guys got like live footage of that. Replay now. Where are my shoes? Oh, there. Okay. Let's see. Today is Monday. Today is Pesach, or Passover, and that means we're gonna have people over tonight. Damn it. I messed up on my shoes. No, okay. I'm not gonna take my Tims today. I'm gonna be taking my Converse. Why aren't they coming out? Okay. So we're having people over today, and it'll be fun, I hope. Except, okay. I think there's gonna be 3 families, and every family has like 2 kids, and I think I'm gonna be the only kid that doesn't have their sibling there, so, or here. So I mean, that's gonna be weird. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. It'll be fun though, and I'm not gonna be recording during that time just for like respect, out of like being polite and not being annoying, you know. So I'm just not gonna film, like, unless people want me to. I'm just not gonna film, I guess. Yeah, so that's pretty much my day so far. Let's head out to school.
Like that every time. He's like, oh, I don't want to check for you.
So I'm just doing a vlog update. I just felt like I wasn't in the shot enough.
Oh, there's like the post
my homie
before the intro,
you know. So it's just an update. Are we chilling? I don't know. I'm nervous. I've never been in front of this many people before.
34. Oh, how do you feel?
I don't speak in front of them.
Wait. I sub vlogs.
Today's vlog. Okay. Look what sound effect.
A honk, a quack, a fart.
Every time someone like says a fuck.
Every time someone says
Oh, a drop of water.
Done with classes, that means I'm heading home. What is up, you guys? It is 10:10 in the morning. I don't know if you can see it. 10:10 in the AM. I got like these things. I don't know if you can see that, but they're like supposed to prevent me from biting down all the way. It makes just the front of my mouth really sore, and it sounds like I have a lisp. I'm supposed to have it on for like 4 weeks or something, so it really sucks. As you can see, I sound really weird. Like when I just speak, it sounds like I can't push my tongue all the way forward, so it makes my S's sound weird. Okay, so sorry. Oh my god, I got these on yesterday. And speaking about yesterday, sorry I didn't vlog yesterday. I don't regret it one bit, but let's see. Yesterday I got home after school and I just honestly passed out, and then I woke up, ate dinner, did homework, and then went back to sleep. So you really didn't miss much at all. Today I'm hoping to film a video that isn't a vlog, but I don't know, we'll see how much time I have. Yeah, I should have time, but yeah, so it's like 10-12 now. I should probably start getting ready for school. I did just eat breakfast. God, my mouth hurts. Yeah, I just ate breakfast. Now I'm gonna go shower, and I'll take you guys for the ride. Let's go. Okay, so, oh my god, my lisp. It's about 10:45, I really have to start heading out. But, what I'm gonna do, Monday, when I wake up, I'm gonna see how many subscribers I have. Wow, my lisp. I'm gonna see how many subscribers I have, and then I'm gonna go out on a run. The current forecast on Monday is cloudy or rainy. I'm not really sure what it is currently, but last night when I checked, it was cloudy with a chance of rain. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run for every 6 subscribers. I'm gonna run 1 mile. So if it's 48, then I'm gonna run like 1 mile for every 6 subscribers. So 48 would be 7 miles, right? If I have 48 subscribers. I already have socks on. If I have 49 subscribers, I'm still gonna run 7. So, so I only run flat miles. I don't run like I won't run like 6 miles and 1/6 of a mile if I'm at 49. Or if I'm at 43, I'm not gonna run 6 miles and 1/6 of a mile if I'm at 43. I'm just gonna run 6 miles. It'll just make everything easier, so yeah. So make sure to share the video. Oh my god. Share a good video without my lisp. And make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Make my Monday run miserable. And since Monday morning I'll be posting a vlog of the weekend, and Thursday will be the next vlog. I'm gonna be posting a separate running video. Just of like my run for Monday, of like subscriber appreciation. But other than that, everything else will be the same. Alrighty, time to go to school. Okay guys, I guess that's a good place to end off the vlog. It's right about 10 o'clock. My phone's dead. And I'm about to post a story time video. So that means the vlog is ending here. And I hope you liked the video. And so if you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share the video with your friends, and yeah. See you guys next time.